Okay,
Yep.
I'm ready. Let me start the car. Let's go.
Okay.
Alright. Hello guys, join me here today in Phu That Buek. Phu That Buek is in the northern part of Thailand. And we are going to drive this road, and it is just one of the best roads in Thailand. I personally have never been here before. Have always wanted to visit this epic road. Finally, the chance to do it. And what better car to do it in than in a 205 GTI following a 405 MI16. This is just going to be epic. As you can see, not much grip going on here. We're on 4-year-old tires, but it's okay. Just don't go too crazy. You got to remember that this car is 30 years old. More than 30 years old. You gotta be easy on it. Nah, who am I kidding? I'm gonna beat the shit out of this car. I love the steering of this car. It's so communicative and so direct. The turn-in is epic. It's so damn good. I must say, it feels like it needs a bit more power, but you know, it doesn't matter because I'll need to upgrade the tires before I add more power to this car. But right now, I'm enjoying it. This is as good as it can be. Would I be having more fun in the 996? I don't know, hard to say, maybe. But this is a manual, you shift by yourself. My 996 is a Tiptronic, and it's not as playful as this car. The limits on this car is much more exploitable. You can do stuff like this. Oh, the road just gets better. Rubbing the back tires, that's okay. Smell fuel coming from the 405. Pretty strong smell. It happens every time we top up. Epic road. Oh, so this is the second day of my trip, and yesterday we also did a lot of driving. We drove all the way from Bangkok to Khao Kho, which is like a 5.5-hour drive, approximately 400 kilometers. We drove around the local roads there, up onto a wind farm. I think I will post a separate video about that. It's just a pure driving video, no commentary. And I also took the chance to drive the 405, and it's really interesting to just hop from this car into that car in the mountain roads. I know I've done a comparison video before between the two cars, but that was in Bangkok. That's very different. And the contrast between this car and that car in the mountain roads is day and night. This car is much more agile. The 405, it seems to like high-speed corners more. In tight corners, it really, the steering actually loses a lot of its communication. The 205 has a lot more steering feel, which is interesting. And the 405 in the low speed corners, it has this kind of scary characteristic of oversteer. It just happens like quite suddenly. 205 never does that, which is one of the things I'm quite confused about, because all the journalists, they like to talk about liftoff oversteer and the 205. I've never had that problem in my car. Maybe it's the suspension setup or the tires, I don't know, but I've never had that problem. Only understeer, as you can see. So the 405, as my friend was saying, there is this kind of unpredictable oversteer and low speed corners, but the high to mid speed corners, the high to mid speed corners, it's really stable. His tires are terrible, by the way. Oh, jeez. What the hell is that? Something just flew up. Oh, this is a workout, man. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Oh, it's my phone. Okay. Let me get my phone. There it is. Okay. Back to driving. Oh, these roads are really demanding on old cars like these. Hill climb. I prefer hill descent because there really is no power going up these hills, and then you just suffer from terminal understeer because front end is relatively light. When you're going uphill, there's more mass in the back, so you get understeer like this all the way. Whereas going downhill, first of all, you get, what the hell, did you just pull the handbrake? When you're going downhill, gravity is on your side, so you feel like you're going faster. And the car is more playful because the back end is lighter. What a road! Yeah, when you're going uphill, it feels like, come on, there's no power, I'm put to the floor right now. This is where the sweet spot is for this engine, between 3.5 to 4, and it's not sweet at all. So, no power, I might as well shift up. Oh my god, this is grueling. Poor cars. Oh, we're just climbing and climbing. I can't even see the ground anymore. Understeer. This is where limited slip would really help. Just help the car claw up the hill. Right now is working so hard to put power down. feel a loss of power up here. These naturally aspirated engines. I still prefer NA though over turbocharged engines. It's just more, how should I say, intuitive, instinctive. Tire squeal every corner. Freaking ridiculous. I can't even tell which car is making the tire squeal. But one thing's for sure, I think this pavement is actually kind of slippery. Wow, look at this road! Yeah, I kind of want a grippier car here. Maybe like he's oversteering. I don't even know how he does that. I kind of want a grippier car here, like an Evo or something. I think I'll do great up here because it's turbocharged. That was scary. And it's four-wheel drive. This is punishing for these cars. Absolutely punishing. Lost momentum there. Careful. It's just uphill all the way. I mean, it's gonna go down, right? Someone once said a hill climb it's hard to make a distinction between who the better driver is during a hill climb. The real distinction happens when you go downhill. That's when the really good drivers pull away. Absolutely no grip. What is he doing? Can't see this, but I'm driving with a constant smile on my face because it's just so ridiculous. This is ridiculous. come on, this view. This road. Oh, looks like he wants to stop. Or not. Funny thing was, last night he told me he's ready to crash this car on this trip. And we're at the top, I guess. The entrance of the national park. Yeah, I saw they were... No. They were having fun, dude. I actually gave them a thumbs up. Alright, let's let the car rest. Good car, man. Good car. That's it. Thanks for watching.
No coffee here?
It's not open?
It should be, right?
I don't know. Oh, 15%, I would say. 1600 meters.